Here's a TV. And here's our bedroom.
You want to tell them about your chair?
And my chair, rocking chair. And I fell down in it one time. This is the kitchen. Pretty. This is my room. Here's Autumn's stuff. Here's my stuff. And there's Autumn's clothes, probably. Here's my clothes. And here we can see to my room. I'll be right back. Right there. I'll be right back.
Okay, okay.
Well, this is Pepe, our dog. He's pretty good. We can see too.
I can't see. There's no light. Here.